Alright, hi everyone. Let's hit some chest today. Let's start with the machine press in our first variation. Make sure you have some heavy weight and hit 10 reps for 4 sets in a easy and controlled form. Make sure you hit 3 to 4 sets of each variation. Once we are done with the machine press, let's go to dumbbell press. So our second variation here is dumbbell press on a flat bench. If you see, I have taken a dumbbell of weight 27.5 on each hand and hitting around 10 to 12 reps here. Make sure you take a dumbbell which is heavy enough to hit 10 to 12 reps. This workout is all about moving some heavy weight for a massive pump. Make sure you lift some heavy weight according to your strength. So in our final set of dumbbell press, I have taken a weight of 32.5 kilos on each hand. So here I am hitting 8 reps with the heaviest dumbbell possible. Make sure your form is right. Bring the dumbbell all the way to your chest and contract at the top. Don't touch or slam the dumbbell. Make sure you do an inch or 2 gap in between the dumbbells for maximum contraction. Don't just lift the weight which I am lifting. Make sure you lift the weight according to your strength, which might be a 15 kilo or 20 kilo, doesn't matter. But make sure the weight is heavy enough for you. So done with the dumbbell press, let's go and hit some bench press. So here we are hitting some barbell bench press on a decline bench. Every gym has this bench. Make sure you utilize it properly today. So here I am hitting 8 reps with the heaviest weight possible. If you have a look at my form, I am bringing the barbell all the way down to my chest, the lower portion of my chest, and contracting on the top. If you are new to the bench press, make sure you have a spotter at your back. So this is our fourth variation. We are done with the pressing movements. Let's do some fly movements. So here I am hitting flies on a cable using a minimum of weight for 10 to 12 reps. Don't go heavy on this variation as it can lead to injury of your shoulders. Make sure your form is right. Stretch all the way at the top and contract all the way at the bottom, bringing your 2 hands at one point. So this is the final variation of today's workout. Your chest will be on fire with the variation we have done today. Make sure you go heavy on every variation with your maximum of weight according to your strength. In today's workout, we have focused mostly on the flat and decline movements, which is the medial and lower chest portion. In the upcoming video, we'll be hitting some incline, some upper chest variations. Thank you.